Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Ambrozic. I'm with Southern Stem Cell Institute, where we offer premier regenerative medicine at clinics all across the southeastern U.S. and to people around the world. Many people are aware that the rich and famous have been using stem cell therapy for decades. We sure are, as some of the people at the top of that list are patients of ours. Many people are now learning that the general population can now afford and benefit from this cutting-edge therapy too. I would like to personally invite you to watch our free regenerative medicine webinar that explains in detail the potential life-changing benefits of regenerative medicine and our stem cell procedures. Southern Stem Cell Institute has been able to help thousands of patients just like you. Before watching the webinar, I would like to pose a few questions to you. What does your pain cost you? What have you missed out on in your life over the last year because of your pain or your condition? And what would your next 10 years look like? At Southern Stem Cell Institute, we believe we have your solution. If you want to learn more about how regenerative medicine and our stem cell procedure may help you get out of pain, please take the time to watch our free stem cell therapy webinar now. We want you to live your life on your own terms again. Just click on the green button to view our full webinar now.